One TV special report.
Next, we have completed the construction of shower rooms. These are for the in-house athletes during trainings and competition. Gamit kaayo ni sa atong eskwelahan kay perti ang Osami City Central School ang host sa atong mga athletes during palaro games. So itong pakpakan atong third completed project. The fourth completed project is the tennis court. Kay maayo man ang atong mga bata diri sa tennis, diri sa sports na tennis. So later again, we will have a formal pictorial presentation of the tennis court. And the sepak takraw court. This is the number 5 project completed. And the last but not the least, the mini football field. So halos kompleto na atong City Central School with the different kinds of sports, no? Pwede na ta dinhi mag-training, pwede na nato yun ma-further pa ang ilahang talent and skills diri sa sports nga intelligence. So, at this point, I would also like to add this information that there was another delivery of Olicet Net for Oplan Anti-Dengue campaign in all our 58 schools diri sa Osami City. This is supported. This is from the DOH, course through our CHO. Isang tawag lang nato sa CHO, abot dayon pila inyong kinahanglan na Olicet Net na adayon. So I think in our province, kita lang siguro diri sa division nga ang 58 schools kompleto na o installed with this Olicet Net. Even katong high school nato nga campuses, kay giuna man nato ang elementary schools, kay daghan man small children, pero ang high school nato, all the classrooms and offices located sa ground floor, di pa butangan na gyud nato og Olicet Net. So kung kinsa pa tong wala pa Olicet Net or nakulangan og Olicet Net, please inform our SDS Sir Johnny that we have direct contact with the CHO. Nagulat lang sila sa ato ang tawag. So ato nang pakpakan kay June ba is the Dengue Awareness Month. Kabalo siguro ang dengue nga kung tingklasin na, June na, muatak na po sila. And still, we still have to be very, very careful with the dengue cases. Kay wala gyud ta na undangi og kanang dengue nga cases, mga bata gihapon ang atong mga victims. So karon kay tingklasin na, kinahanglan mga teachers should also be careful with the dengue, anti-dengue practices. Hala, unsa ganito? Padayon gihapon ato ang clean up drive ha, mahapon or scheduled activities, i-appeal yun na sa ato ang daily schedule. Unsa ganito atong strategy nga gi-apply, kabalo kaayo siguro si Kapitan Billen ani kay gi-memorize dani sila ni then Mayor Indy Waminal Jr. 5S, no? Ang ako madumduman, isa ra gyud. Unsa to? Search and destroy. O ginako mahinumduman. Pangitaa asa ang source sa dengue, asa ang gipuyan sa mga mosquito and destroy it, iyabutanan. So, there were 4, I think, pero gidugangan og ikapit. Hydration, it's about hydration. Sige lang inom og tubig. But anyway, most important thing is kanang panglimpyo, and it is part of our brigada eskwela. And giingon ni Sir Johnny ganina, this is not only a 1-week-long activity. Kag today is the culmination day. Does that mean the end na ang ato ang clean-up drive? We still have to continue the brigada all throughout the school year until next year of March. So, I hope po no nga ma-appeal good ang daycare center. Even if ang daycare centers bitaw nato is not part of the DepEd anymore, but I really hope na the OLICETnet will reach and be installed sa tanan daycare nato centers kay mga bata and daytime yun ang tinggawa sa dengue. So, today, as we commence this week-long Brigada Eskwela activity, I urge everyone to continue our drive towards quality education. Let's not leave again our volunteerism during Brigada week only, but let's get involved as much as we can. Take collective actions. Let us work together para sa bata, para sa bayan, para kanunay asenso ang Usamis learners. Thank you so much and once again, good afternoon. Thank you very much, our Education Committee Chair, Councilor Cecil Y. Ko. May we invite you, Ma'am Cecil, together with our OIC SBS for the awarding of this plaque of recognition that reads, this plaque of recognition is presented to Honorable Cecil Y. Ko in sincere appreciation of her invaluable support and dedicated partnership in enhancing the educational infrastructures in the Schools Division of Zami City through her proactive governance and source allocation. Learning environments have been significantly elevated to benefit generations of learners, significantly elevated to benefit generations of students. Given this 5th day of June 2026, signed, Dionisio L. Liwagon Jr., SESO 6, OIC Schools Division Superintendent. Shall we give Ma'am Cecil a round of applause? This time, we would also like to call on the 50th District Barangay Council to receive their plaque of appreciation, represented by their Barangay Captain, Evelyn L. Ricamada. We would also like to call on representative from the Tinago Barangay Council, if there is a representative, or the representative of Barangay, Punong Barangay, Ricky R. Fuentes. And the next, the School Parents Teachers Association Organization. Sir Lapot. May we invite the SPTA officers to please come upstage, please. This time, we will now call on the external stakeholders of Ozami City Central School. May we invite the representatives of Gokong Wei Brothers Foundation and Robinson Supermarket, Ozamis. Representatives from McDonald's. Harp Balita Review Center. We would like to call on our representative from Pitemco. Of course, si Ma'am Mila. And Ganggang. According to alphabetical order, because these are our friends, our stakeholders of the division of Ozami City 2. May we now call on representatives from City Savings Bank, Ozami's branch. you so much, City Savings Bank. Next, we shall call on our friends from Real Credit Corporation. Onda nga sanang pang-distribute the previous day. Alisan mo. And of course, our very dear friends from Tagum Cooperative. We will be bringing to our stakeholders, sir, the remaining plaques and the trophies that we have prepared for them. More so, from the local government unit to our very own Mayor, Attorney Sam Norman Fuentes, and our Vice Mayor, Honorable Simplicia Neri, together with the City Councilors. Also to our very dear Regional Director, Dr. Ruth Legaspi Fuentes. Thank you so much. Now, I guess we are ready for the words of gratitude coming from our OCCS School Principal to Sir Eugenio C. Boco.
Thank you, Ma'am A. Good afternoon, everyone. Magandang hapon sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo na sa ating Education Committee Chairman, Honorable Cecil Fu. At sa ating napakabait na Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Dionisio Liwagon Jr. Sa mga division personnel na nandito, sa ating mga partners, parents, mga kabataan, mga teachers na nandito, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. At lalong-lalo na sa ating SPTA officers, headed by Sir Arnold Lapot. Lubos na nagpapasalamat ang pamilya ng Usami City Central School sa lahat ng aming katuwang sa matagumpay na pagsasagawa ng Brigada Eskwela 2026. Una sa lahat, taos-puso naming pasasalamatan ang pamahalaan ng lungsod ng Usami sa kanilang napakalaking tulong sa paaralan sa pamamagitan ng pagpapatayo ng football field. Nadin na ang atong football field na gamit na gina siya. Tennis court. Then naanatay na produce nga daghan nga mga athlete sa tennis nga nakadaog sa regional level. Sipa takraw, shower room at concrete perimeter fence. Mayroon din, ma'am, yung drainage system sa Usami City Central School. Yung drainage system sa gitna. Oo. Napakalaking tulong ng drainage system na yan dahil ang tubig na nandyan ay patungo na doon sa Pinggol Gate. So, dili na siya mubaha, dili padulong. Maraming salamat at mayroon pang isa, yung silid-aralan ng ating madrasa. No? Oo. Binigyan nila ng diin yung ating mga kapatid na mga Muslim. Sa mga NGOs, pribadong individual, alumni, magulang, mga OCC stakeholders gaya ni Kapitan Ricky Fuentes, Kapitan Evelyn C. Camadas and Councilor, Arnold Lapot, Misamis University, Gokong Wee Brothers, Robinson Supermarket Usamis, McDonald's, Real Credit, Home Credit, Car Balita, Paglaom, Robinson Supermarket, City Savings, Video, Tagum, Bangko de Oro, Pitingko, Mercy and Crown Paper at sa iba pang mga stakeholder na nagkaloob ng salapi o kagamitan, materialis at serbisyo para sa ikabubuti ng ating paaralan. Ang inyong malasakit at suporta ay malaking inspirasyon sa amin upang lalo pang mapabuti ang paglilingkod para sa kapakanan ng aming mga mag-aaral. Maraming salamat po sa inyong kabutihan at pakikiisa. Naway pagpapalain po tayo ng buong may kapal. Mabuhay ang Brigada Eskwela. God bless us all.
Thank you very much, Sir Eugene. On behalf of the Schools Division,